Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create Venmo account. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your browser. It says download one of our mobile apps, iOS or Android. Venmo does not have a Windows app. Open the Venmo app, choose your sign up method, and create a secure password between 8 and 20 characters long. It should contain at least one number or symbol like exclamation point and or at or the hashtag or the money kind of a the money thing or the money icon, or you can use the percentage, and then verify your phone number and email address. So I'm gonna go back to my screen and go ahead to my App Store, Google Play, and I'm gonna just go ahead and click the search at the bottom right corner. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just type right here Venmo, and you're gonna see the Venmo right here. And basically, as you can see, the Venmo is not supported right here, right? So unfortunately for now, the Venmo right here is not supported in my country except for for crypto, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.